Lily blew us away from the beginning. Most adolescents and young adults, when they come in, they can be a little shy, they can be a little nervous, but Lily was the champion of herself. She knew exactly when and what was wrong and what was bothering her, and had ideas about what we could be doing to help her get better.
Could I tell you every muscle in the hip? Absolutely not. Could I tell you where every bone is? Absolutely not. I am still a kid, but I know where my pain is. It's hard going to doctors and them telling you that, oh, there's nothing wrong. And you're just kind of sitting there and you're like, okay, I guess they're right. I guess there's nothing wrong, but why do I still feel like this? I was like, Mom, I don't want to go to the doctors anymore. I don't want them to dismiss me and tell me I'm not in pain anymore. And still be in pain, but just nobody's hearing me out. Nobody's listening to me.
She told us that she had had difficulty seeking care at other places for her hips, and she noted that she didn't always feel very well heard or listened to.
I was 16 years old when I was diagnosed with hip dysplasia. We got here, and I had someone sit down with me, and she said, start talking. She said, okay, what happened next? What were you feeling at this point? Where was your pain at this point? It was just hard to believe, like, why are you listening to me when all these other guys wouldn't?
The majority of the patients I take care of are adolescents and young adults. And I have the obligation, but I also have the honor, the privilege, and the opportunity to build a relationship with these teenagers and young adults. And even if they're not teenagers and young adults, talking to someone who's 5, 6, 7 is really important, because you want to create a rapport, a relationship with them, so we can learn about what they've been going through and then talk about what we're going to do.
And I felt like there was so much that y'all could help me with now, and it was so different.
From that moment, we knew that she was going to be successful, because it is so important that the patient be engaged.
Having a team is just so much different and so much more comforting when they tell you, okay, we're going to be here for you, and these are the people who are going to see you. And being kept informed, not only telling my parents, oh, she's going to see these people, but they told me, and I'm like, oh, they're talking to me, aren't they?
So the more that the patient and the family can learn, the smoother this is going to go. And that's where Lily was just hungry for information, and we knew that she was going to be a special kid.
Being valued, being looked at, being listened to means so much more, because I've been in pain for so long, and them telling me that you have something wrong, but we can fix it. This is possible. I can walk without pain. I will be going to Kansas State University to get my undergraduate in sports nutrition, and then go on to get my master's in athletic training. I know it will be a lot of work, but I just see it as being so worth it if I can even help out half as many people as have helped me.